Welcome guys, in this episode I am going to talk about piping and redirection. What is piping? Piping is a mechanism where we can take one command's output as the input of another command. Let me take ls as an example for piping. ls showing everything in my home folder like files and folder. I have very limited files and folder in my home folder. Suppose you have tons of files and folder in your home folder and you want to find a specific file or folder. For that case, you can't simply do ls or scroll down manually to find whether that file or folder is there or not. To make it more efficient, we can do ls pipe command grep what I am looking for. Suppose I am looking for pictures. Grep showing me there is an entry for pictures. So basically piping is sending one command's output as an input of another command. It is very simple thing. You have to do little practice over it and you will be good to go. Let me talk about redirection. Redirection is a mechanism where we send one command's output to a file or take a file's output as an input of a command. This is a sign where we taking command's output to a file. This is another example. This is another sign for redirection where we are taking input from file and sending it to command. Here is another sign for redirection. I am sending a command's output to a file in append order. What is append? Append means if the file is already existing, it will not overwrite the data inside that file. Instead of overwriting, it will add the data after existing data. Let me do a practical here. To do a practical, I have a file students.txt cat students.txt using pipe command and grep command to filter result, again using pipe command, using cat, I am using cat to view student.txt cat's output, then grep taking the output and finding whether there is an entry for Pitush or not, then sending it to cat command where cat command writing the text into hello.txt file. Let me open the hello.txt. To open hello.txt, cat hello.txt. There you can see it is showing the data what grep sorted out for me and cat written it in hello.txt. Piping and redirection is very easy to use. Suppose I want to know how many processes are currently running on my system. To do so, I have to be on root first. So it is giving me everything what is running on my PC. Let me save it on a file. Let me open that file. Here you can see the output of PSAUX is saved inside process.txt. So basically redirection is a method where we can send our output to a file or take input from a file or append data to a specific file. Thank you for watching. Keep visiting ehungers.com.